Any mention? Item number 1.
Yes.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, this is the application, my lord, for modification of your Lordship's order
Yes.
relating to direction, my lord,
Direction.
to the Registrar General to approach the Honorable Supreme Court for retaining the matter, my lord, before this Honorable Court.
Yes.
My lord, if your Lordship will kindly see the order of the Honorable Supreme Court at page 23,
Yeah.
paragraph
36.
36.
Yes.
We are also informed that numerous writ petitions, suo motu petitions are pending in various high courts,
Stand transferred.
more or less stand transfer. Once matters has been transferred, my lord.
Well, I would only submit that the orders of this Honorable Court in page 12 and 13, Millets, from the second paragraph of page 13,
Yeah.
Millets, from the bottom second paragraph of
Yes.
page 13,
We strongly recommend.
with dogs, Millets.
Where?
It is, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines from the second last paragraph, Millets, 4 lines from the top. Having heard the
Yes.
submissions of public interest litigations, with dogs of this nature, freeing them without satisfaction, there cease to be bitter dogs, and allowing them frequent public cases pose a grave danger to the public. From here till the end, Millets, would, in view of the orders of the Honorable Supreme Court, Millets, may not be.
This has to be
Will
modified.
not be appropriate.
Okay.
This order was actually brought to the notice of this Honorable Court, Millets, on I think the.
There is there, my lord. So to that extent, your Lordship kindly modify the
Highly,
order.
I would also pray for the same.
But let me ask the general in this case. As also Mr. K. Paul Senior Advocate.
Well, it's in person, appearing in person.
Yeah, appearing in person on behalf, appearing in person for the petitioner. As petition person, sorry. By the instant, this is application, modification has been sought of and out of the order dated 30/08/2025 passed by this court in the domain PIL, whereby this court had directed that the matter be retained before this court in view of the peculiar nature of the case. Mr. Learned Advocate General has drawn the attention of this court to the order dated of this approval, order dated
22nd August 2025.
22nd August.
22/8/2025, wherein the Supreme Court has directed that writ petitions of all high courts on the same issue, that is, issue of stray dogs, right, shall stand transferred to the Supreme Court, yes, for consideration along with the main matter.
Analogous consideration along with the main matter.
So he submits that in view of this direction, the instant PIL also the record may be sent to
Yes,
Supreme Court.
and the order dated 30th August may kindly.
And the order dated so and so be modified accordingly. Next, Mr. K. Paul, petitioner, advocate petition person, has no objections to the same and concurs submissions made by the Advocate General. So, and you have anything to say?
No, I have nothing to say. I'm only for respond number 2 and 3.
Yes, Mr. SD was also present on behalf of 2 and 3, as also support submissions made by the Advocate General. So, next paragraph, in view of the submissions and also in view of submission and the order dated 22/8/2025 passed by the Supreme Court in Kumoto, so and so, the order of this court dated 30/8/2025 shall stand modified to the extent that the
My lords, may I interject? My lords, if my lords go through the order of 30th of August 2025, I think the whole order would need to be recalled. My lords. The entire order would need recalling.
okay, yes. This is hereby recalled, and the records of the incident PIL be transmitted by registry to the registry to Supreme Court immediately.
Highly
This
obliged.
case stands disposed of.
Let
Allowed
me-
and disposed of.
को क्या हो गया था सर लास्ट
I think hearing, no, someone will be hearing.
Any mention?
Hearing. Sorry, should have said first.
Lordships, I beg to mention item number 1.
Yes.
Conducting counsel Mr. N. Das Gupta is on leave. Item number
leave.
1.
Yes, Dr. Mozika.
Yes, ma'am.
After 2 weeks, yes.
Yes.
Much obliged.
Yes.
Lord, I would like to mention item number
Yes.
on behalf of my senior counsel, Mr. A. Lal, for the petitioner, my argument counsel is engaged in other matter in Supreme Court today, so he won't be able to appear. So kindly
What item?
And
Single bench.
sorry,
Single bench. Single bench.
Yes.
Single bench.
kindly adjourn the matter today and fix
What item?
item number 30. 30.
You're the wrong bench you're mentioning. This
Oh,
is
yeah. Sorry, sir. I thought it's a single bench. Sorry.
will impose cost, yes. With bad connectivity also.
Item number 2.
If this matter may kindly come after vacations.
2
So
weeks.
should I look ready for the matter?
Your Lordship, after 2 weeks.
Okay, yes. Number 3.
Item number 3.
I forgot the hearing. They won't speak anymore.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, we have filed the affidavit today, so let the matter come up
affidavit?
after puja.
At the stage of hearing.
Yes, Your Lordship. Additional affidavit, Your Lordship.
You receive copy?
Obviously.
Additional affidavit regarding what?
But here what happened, they're challenging the departmental proceedings while the criminal trial is pending. So
To bring on record the
For what
relevant
purpose?
documents, Your Lordship.
they're asked to place on record the charge sheet.
Okay. Yes, MS Idahar submits that additional affidavit been filed when you record the charge sheet.
Yes.
Yes,
Charges frame.
the charges frame against the petitioner. Right. Yes, anything,
No.
Whether it survives, Mr. Dr. Mojika, this matter?
But the DP is not proceeding.
That is a challenge to that departmental proceeding.
Yes, ma'am, because of
the pendency of the criminal
case. Ma'am.
any list after vacation?
A number of witnesses were already reserved.
He is not there. Yes. Next matter. Oh.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I
Wait, please. Please switch her off. Okay. Switch off. Don't put them on again. Yes.
yes, Lordship. I beg to mention
Unless
item.
they improve their connectivity. Yes.
I beg to mention item 39, Lordship. For the petitioner, Lordship, I pray that this matter may be taken up after 3 weeks.
39.
Yes, Lordship.
Who other side?
Madam for Customs. This is a matter pertaining to seizure of cows.
Caesar.
Cow at Waterway Basin.
What remains in this matter?
Lordship, the conducting senior counsel able
Where's the
to.
cows now?
Hand it over to the owners.
Then
Lordship, there is some discrepancies in that matter.
Who's actually the owner?
Who is,
There's a dispute on that one.
okay. Yes. After 2 weeks.
highly obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 34. Your Lordship, we're waiting instruction from CAG, Your Lordship.
Regarding
Item 34, Your Lordship.
okay, why? Regarding what instruction?
Your Lordship,
Last week. This thing. This is. Yes, 34.
No objection, Lordship.
How longer will you wait?
Lordship, 2 weeks time, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 27, my Lord.
Your opinion, Mr. Sen.
Lordship.
Oh no, Mr. Sinkon.
Mr. Sinkon.
Where other side? Mr. Gautam.
Lordship.
Who's there? Not him. Yes. Okay, yes, you inform them.
My Lord, inform. Deeply obliged.
May it please Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 31. I prayed for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Where's the other side? You inform them. You don't inform them, then you're there.
Oh, not
You're there or not?
31.
31. Yes.
Okay, yes. Yes.
Similar prayer for item number 35, Your Lordship.
5 you're there. Okay, yes. 2 weeks.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 36, my Lord.
36.
Yes, my Lord.
It's connected with 37 also.
Yes, my Lord.
And 38.
No, my Lord, only 36 and 37.
With 38, Your Honor.
38. Yes, after 2 weeks. Okay, these are those toll gate matters.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes.
My Lord, item number 33 also, my Lord.
So you finished on my list.
Pardon, my Lord.
Yeah, objection.
Yes, I'm for the petitioner, my
Yeah,
Lord.
objection or not?
No, my Lord, I don't have any objection.
Okay, 2 weeks, yes.
This one and 5.
Super court, yes. Yes.
Highly obliged, my Lord.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 30. I pray for 2 weeks' time.
You want to do hearing today? Yes, 2 weeks, yes. Yes.
Much obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention one unlisted item, Lordship.
What is
It
the
happened,
urgency?
Lordship, or by order dated 23 of this month, Your Lordship was pleased to close one contempt case, that is contempt case 31 of 25, on the ground of infractures. However, Lordship, the contempt case 15 was become infractures, not the 31. So, Lordship, I filed a review petition for restoring the contempt case of 31, Lordship.
The one regarding the gold bangle?
Lordship, yes, Lordship.
That's why I was wondering, where's Mr. Dr. Mozika? You've given them back, you've given the money? Has been
No,
released?
no, Your Lordship.
We have not given till now.
Given 2 weeks' time, I think, I hope by the. Right.
Today what happened was the other order was passed in the wrong contempt application. So that may be rectified immediately after within.
Yes.
Lordship, a review may be taken up today, Lordship, because the other contempt.
Yes, you bring the. You
Yes,
file it.
all right.
Yes.
Supplementary list item number 1.
Yes.
Please, my lords.
Yes.
My lords, we are aggrieved by the decision of the authorities, my lords, in reconstitution of the managing committee of this Madrasa Himayatullah Islami LP school. Lords, what had happened is there was a directions passed by this Honorable Court on 13/5/2025, which my lords would find at page 18.
Yes.
Operative portion is at page 19, my lords.
Yes.
Well, as there were 4 directions. If we think that at the ends of justice would be subserved if the proposal as sent by the appellant is considered by the government. While considering the proposal, it will first examine, after hearing the parties, whether the proposal has been sent by the right authority. If it finds that the appellant had the authority to send the proposal, it will consider the process the same for which no hearing need be given. If it finds that the appellant did not possess such authority, the government will send a proposal back to the school. Thereafter, a fresh proposal may be sent by the authority having power if it deems fit and proper. So thereafter, my lords, what had happened is my proposal was rejected. The proposal sent by the appellant, my lords, was rejected. And my lords, a fresh proposal was sent. Now, the procedure for sending a fresh proposal is that there has to be a meeting of the parents and guardians of the school. Now, that, my lords, a notice was issued, and if I may just take your lordship to the notice at page 30.
Who are you? You're a secretary?
No, my lords, we are the parents and guardians.
Okay. Yes.
So what we are saying is, my lords, Annex 7, page 30, my lords, kindly have a look. It says, my lords,
yes,
that all parents, guardians of the students of so-and-so are requested to attend the meeting on Sunday, the 10th of August at 10 a.m. for election of the parents, guardians representative required for reconstitution of the managing committee of so-and-so school.
Okay.
Now, we pointed out at the previous page, at Annex 6, page 29.
Yes.
With reference to the subject cited above, I would like to bring to your kind notice that though you have circulated notice to the so-and-so for the purpose of election to the reconstitution of the new managing committee, but you have not mentioned in the notice the venue of the meeting. Kindly mention the venue of the notice and display the same in the school notice board. Your lordships would have seen in the notice that it does not say, my lords, that where the meeting is to be held.
I think it's understood it will be in the school.
No, it is not, my lords. It has to be mentioned. So what happened with
the school?
We went there. There was no such meeting, my lords. There was just a natural, what they said, my lords, it is a common meeting of parents and guardians. That's all. And, my lords, some names were forwarded by the secretary to the government, which now has been approved, my lords, and my lords would find that at page 36.
Notice at this stage.
My lords, I am praying for a notice.
In fact,
only.
your lordship, we are challenging the maintainability of this writ petition. It's nothing but a proxy litigation. These petitioners have got no locus, your lordship.
We'll keep that open. Yes, heard
Yes.
Mr. K. Policy Council so issue notice. Ms. T. Yang EB, then the EEG is present on behalf of response 124, and accept so no notice. No further is required on these respondents. Notice issued respondent number 5. 5 you already represented? No.
No, your lordship.
5 notice would have to go, my lords.
Yes. Just after 2 weeks. And MS
Do you have an interim prayer?
submitted that the replacement and payable. It is open to the respondents to raise the issue.
Maintain
Commission hearing, please.
Well, may I just pray that your lordships observe that subject to the outcome of this writ petition,
No,
what I...
because your lordship, another case regarding the same subject matter is pending before your lordship.
Because the issue here is, if at subsequent point of time my writ petition actually, my lords, goes through, and
Nothing that can't be corrected, Mr. Paul.
Well, the difficulty will then be that another plea is going to come up, that they're going to say that we've been in office for some time.
No, let it come.
The subject matter of this case is already before your lordship, in another case, your lordship.
So either way, if both the matters get allowed, this order will have to go.
Item number 2.
Obliged.
Pleasure.
What is this? Yes.
Hey, please, your lordship. Lordship, this matter pertains to the election which is to be held at Maukanrao Maulin Pillun village, which is under Khairam CMship. Now, lordship, the case of the petitioner is that it is a well-founded, established, customary practice that the Sardar Pillun is a member of the Mukhim clan chosen by the Mukim clan itself. Now, Lordship, what has happened, just for Lordship's clarity, Maukanrao Pullun is divided into two villages, Maukanrao and Maulain. Now, both these villages have their own heads or rangbashnongs, and they are the Sardars who are duly elected by the people, by the general masses. Yes, Lordship. However, Lordship, the Sardar Pullun is someone who is elected from the Mukim clan by the Mukim clan.
What's his role? I mean, how does he, with relation to the other Sardars, what is his position?
His position, Lordship, according to age-old customs and traditions, is that he shall be the custodian of the land. He'll be the custodian of the land. Meanwhile, the administration of the separate shnongs will be handled by the Sardar shnongs. So that is his role, Lordship, and he also has a very important role as the head or as the Sardar Pullun, as he still has religious duties to perform towards the sameship as well. Now, Lordship, if I may take your Lordship to annexure. Annexure 4, which is at page number 18, Lordship.
You're there, Mr. Sangma?
Mala for discount, 124.
The translated copy is at page number 20.
Page 20, okay.
Yes, Lordship. This is a letter given by the SAM, Khairam Sameship, to the district council, highlighting the importance and the role of the Sardar Pullun. Now, if I may take your Lordship to paragraph A, the Sardar of Maukanrao Pullun. If I may read, Lordship. The Sardar of Maukanrao Pullun must be a member of the Mukim clan, which is a clan that established the village of Maukanrao, a task entrusted by the Sames of the Hima 100 years ago. Therefore, it is the responsibility of the Mukim clan to choose the Sardar for Maukanrao Pullun. The Sardar of Maukanrao Pullun is responsible for overseeing the land and governance of the entire Maukanrao area. Now, if I might take your Lordship to annexure 5, which is at page number 21, and the translated copy is at page number 23. Now, this is a letter given by the Lingdo Raj. Now, the Lingdo Raj is the custodian of the rites, rituals and practices. So, Lordship, the Lingdo Raj has highlighted the significance of the Mukim clan professing the Khasi indigenous faith and his role as the Sardar towards the sameship.
Yes.
If I may read, Lordship, the second paragraph, the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 lines from the bottom of the second paragraph, Lordship. The line starts with as Lingdos.
Yes.
As Lingdos entrusted with the sacred responsibilities of conducting the rites, rituals, prayers, religious observance, we are afraid to accept any leaders who do not rightfully belong to the designated clan lineage, as this would disrupt our religious practices. If the religious rituals are disrupted, we fear that gods may become displeased with us, and if the gods are displeased, what will happen to the beloved land? So this has highlighted, Lordship, the sanctity of the post as well. Now, the impugned letter dated 15 September 2025. It is at annexure 6, Lordship, page number 25.
Is there any contest or any dispute with regard to the office of Sardar?
Yes, Lordship. Now, what has happened is that there's a group of people called the Nongyalam Kasur Kipajba Maukanrao Maulain Khairam Sameship. Now, these people, they want that the Sardar Pullun should also be someone who is elected by the masses, from amongst the masses, which is a contravention to the already established customary practices. Yes, Lordship. And the responsibilities and the ritualistic responsibilities that the Sardar has to the sameship as well. Now, the impugned letter, Lordship.
Now you are this Kirbalang Mukim is acting Sardar.
No, Lordship. There is no Sardar, there is no acting Sardar at the time being, because if I take your Lordship to annexure 7.
Yes, what is this?
Annexure 7 is a letter which is a complaint against the to Shri Kitborlang Mukim. This is an order issued by the district council, whereby
serving as the Sardar of Maukanrao Pullun.
Yes, Lordship. So what happened is that he was acting in the capacity of the acting Sardar. Now he was removed. He was removed because there was some enmity between.
So the CM said have a fresh election.
Yes, your Lordship. That is the direction given to the CM, Lordship.
There is some misunderstanding, the perception about the the duties of the Sardar of the village of Mokonrao and of the Sardar Mokonrao Pulan.
No, what happened is that here initially a complaint was filed by some of the natives of the village in the year 2024, and by this order at Annexure 7, the said acting Sardar was removed and direction was given to the same to conduct an election for the post of Sardar. Subsequently, a fresh representation was filed by the so-called Sur of the Pajba, where they have indicated that this practice was never been in place. In fact, the election of the Sardar has to be conducted by the public before the Darbar.
No, see, if there are two officers,
lordships.
You understand? That's what I'm saying. Maybe there's a misunderstanding with regard to what he submits is that Sardar of Mokonrao Pulan.
Yes,
no, it's by public.
No,
sorry, it's by
the
clan.
clan.
And others, Mokonrao general is by the public.
They have their own elections for the Sardar Shlongs.
Your Lordship, can you have the act of the Kharim Sameeship?
Yes. Let be there in the book. No, come down. Where's the act? It's a new act.
Lordships.
Is it next year?
No, Lordship. I have a copy, but it's not been annexed. There is no talk of any.
Your Lordship, I've just placed my copy.
In the Act, Lordship, there has not been any mention of how these customary practices and how these particular clans are supposed to choose the representatives. Only it talks about
Section 19, my Lord. This is the election and confirmation of the Sardar Shnad Raj or Rangba Shnong or the Sardar Shnong. When a vacancy occurs in the office of the Sardar Shnad Raj or Rangba Shnong or Sardar Shnong, the same or the acting same shall, on the advice of the executive Darbar, direct the Khasi adults or elders of the village of the Raj or village concerned to summon a meeting of the heads.
Examination.
My Lord.
Yes,
heard Mr.
This is
Counsel for the petition.
I'm asking for a stay of the operation of the order, Lordship.
Yes.
No, I think here the necessary party also the this
so let other parties appear. Yes, heard also issue notice. Mrs. T. Sangma, Vice Mr. T. Yes, present, except notice on behalf of respondents. 4 notice to go to respondent number 5. Within 3 days. Stop. The grievance of the petitioner is with the office of the with regard to the Sardar. Now Sardar Mokonrao Mauling Pullun can only be from Mukim clan.
Yes, Lordship.
What for grievance is submitted by the Legal Counsel of Petitioner that the writ petition concerns the office of the Sardar of Mokonrao Mauling Pullun and as to the eligibility of the person to occupy the same. Stop. The writ petition submits has been directed against an order. Where is that?
That's page 25.
25, Lordship. 1509.
September 2025, whereby the council respondents have directed for a referendum to be held with regard to the election, with regard to the election of Sardar of Mokonrao Mauling Pullun. Submitted that this being against this established custom, in as much as it is not the public that elects the Sardar Mokonrao Pullun, but only Mukham clan. The council prays that at this stage some interim orders be passed before these will be passed. When's the referendum fixed?
It is
within a period of 1 month from the date of the order.
The order, Lordship.
Yes, sir. No? Yes, inasmuch as the matter, if carried forward, will affect the customary practice prevalent in Mokonrao Mauling Pullun. Next paragraph. Ms. C. Sangma, on behalf of the council respondents, who has accepted notice, submits that the direction contained in the impugned letter is for the public to elect the Sardar Mokana Moplum and the same as per the, what is the act called?
The Khairam,
As per the, quite long.
The Khasias Autonomous District Nomination Succession, quite long name.
Yes,
Act of 2024.
Yes, having heard and counseling for the parties on the prayer for interim stay, it is noted that what has been projected is that the office of Sardar of Maukanrao Maringpulun is different from the Sardar of Maukanrao
and Maulan villages.
Where, and is of a different office wherein the general public elect the incumbents, whereas the referendums are being sought is for specific office which is not open to general election in view of as it is customary and involves other duties and rituals which as the matter deserves further consideration, it is provided that till the next date, the impugned letter dated 1509 so and so, directing for referendum to be held in 1 month, should not be given effect to it, and lists accordingly.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 3.
Lordship, this matter has become infractious. Lordship.
Where is the other? You filed with the other?
Yes, Your Lordship, I have already filed.
Yes. This contempt 15 is infractious. Yes. Due to developments, other developments which have taken place. You filed a review, correct? What happened to the review before the division bench?
Lordship, the
direction was to return the gold, my lord. So that has been converted to
money.
Pay the money, my lord.
Yes,
yes, whereby the division bench of this court, by order dated 1/9/2025, has directed remittance amount of rupees 17,16,189 to petitioner. The instant contempt application is infractious and it's only closed.
The other one can.
There's the other one. Number?
No, number. I have not received the number, Lordship. I have already filed. I have not received the registration number, but I have already filed.
Okay. Yes,
Item number 4.
Yes.
Lordship, here the petitioner is the son of the government servant, Lordship. He is a mentally retarded child of the government servant, Lordship. As per Rule 48 of the Meghalaya Civil Service Rules, Lordship, it provides for pension for such mentally retarded child.
We'll have it next up. Yes.
My lord, page 4, Lordship.
Mr. Sheikh. Mr. Sheikh, we'll take it after. Yes. MSCB Prasad submits that. You have received the affidavit filed by the Accountant General.
The copy is corrected copy, Your Lordship. My copy is some error, Your Lordship. The copy I was supposed to file, there's some error. So correct. Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, submit.
Because the matter was listed on Monday, Lordship. My Lord has fixed the matter today. So Lordship can be listed for final hearing.
But
no issue, Lordship.
Your Lordship, can it be have after 10th of
Put down the volume so loud. Yes.
Can you
your volume, Mr. Sheikh?
Oh, lower your volume. Your Lordship, I am praying for. Can it be listed after 10th of October, Your Lordship?
Why? Yes, she's mentally retarded, mentally challenged.
No, Your Lordship, it's okay. Okay, I'll finish up. But the only thing is that, Your Lordship, I want to point out, because there is a dispute regarding his date of birth, Your Lordship. Whatever petitioner has given 1971, but as per the birth certificate I have annexed with the affidavit, it is 19.
Then Mr. Sheikh come, yes.
Yes, 64, Your Lordship. 64, Your Lordship. That is the thing.
And she has been filed post after puja vacation, yes. For the order, yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 5.
May it please, Your Lordships.
Yes,
I just need to point out one thing. There is an application. 1 minute.
One second. Yes. Yes, Mr. Pandey. Yes.
Item 5. No? Supplementary 5.
Wait till after some time. Anything, Mr. Goswami?
No, I was just saying that there is a typographical error. Lordship may just ignore that. In fact, I'll just say, Lordships, in this Satnam, we had filed an application for vacation.
Yes.
So, if you Lordship will say Satnam Global Infra Projects Corporation Limited, that corporation is a typographical error, Lordships.
Where is that?
If his Lordship will see the
main case, Mr. Goswami.
We'll see we'll argue the main case, Lordships. We'll argue them. After some time, Lordships.
After some time, yes. The other matters there also.
Yeah.
Your miss case.
Yes, the first matter in the daily list is also there. Now, both matters can be taken up together, after some time.
After some time.
Well.
Item number 6.
Well, this matter has been settled.
Yes, pass order is.
Deeply.
Daily list item number 1.
End of the board. That's number 1. Yes, we take end of the board. Yes.
Item number 2.
My lord, 2 and 3, my lord, the appeal is still pending, my lord.
Yes.
Item number 2 and 3, my lord, state has preferred an appeal, which is still pending, my lord. The matter is yet to be heard.
Yes, Mr. Lasonglia. Is that correct?
Yes, Lordship.
Post this matters after 3 weeks.
Lordship.
4 weeks. 3 and 4.
2 and 3, my lord.
2 and 3.
2 and 3, sorry.
Item number 4.
Notice has been served, Lordship.
Yes, served.
Yes.
Who's appearing for number 2?
They have not entered appearance, Your Lordship.
It's been served, you sure?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Your name, sorry?
SD Sangma, Your Lordship.
Your name SD Sangma?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, MS Sistema submits that the service upon number 2 is complete. She prays one is allowed to file a service affidavit.
Yes, Lord.
Yes. Because office noting shows not served, yes.
Obliged, Lord.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 5.
Main review. Some problem.
What's wrong with this thing today? Usually it's very crystal clear.
The system, it seems.
Yes. Yes.
My lord, this will file a review petition, my lord, for slight modification of the order passed by Lordship, my lord. And there's some delay.
Mr. Chanda, you have any objection to the condemnation application?
No.
Yes, okay. Yes, miss case number, reviews also. Who appeared earlier?
Mr.
You are having appearance today?
No, my lord, earlier also Mr. Kharkran appeared.
No, who the, yeah. Mr. Chanda, are you appearing in this matter?
Yes, sir.
You accepting notice on behalf of all the respondents?
Yes, sir.
You have no objection to the application for condemnation, preference review application?
No, madam.
Yes, no. Mr. Chanda, who is present on behalf of respondents, I have no objection to the delay or the condemnation of delay in preferring the connected review application. Accordingly, for the reasons stated in this case and on the submissions of Mr. M. Chanda, the delay of 61 days in filing the review petition for a review of order dated 6/6/2025 passed by this court in WPC number 102 of 2025 is condoned. Yes.
Next.
The registry to diarize and this appeal for consideration. Yes. A review. This case disposed of.
Item number 6.
My lord, here this same matter, my lord, the delay is 170 days.
Okay, appearing Mr. Chanda?
Yes, madam.
With same order then?
Yes.
Yes.
The delay in WPC number.
Same order, yes. Same order which is under the period of 1 year. In this case, it is.
7. Item number 7.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, this is a matter of contempt against two respondents, Lordship, but the first respondent has retired, my Lord.
You are appearing for number 2?
No, Lordship.
Then you are appearing for whom?
We are just informing this Honourable Court because we have been engaged by respondent number 1 to inform Lordship that she's retired.
Even then, was the action done when she was in office?
Lordship, it's for regularization, Lordship, and we were directed by this Honourable Court to consider the same, Lordship.
Then what happened?
Lordship will have to get instructions to that extent, Lordship.
MS NG Shilla has entered appearance on behalf of the respondent number 1. However, who served?
No, Lordship. Some more time, Lordship.
However, officer indicates that AD card that the service respondent number 2 not complete. List after 2 weeks for service report on respondent number 2 years.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 8.
This matter is relating to the setting up of the qualified depot. So I have filed the affidavit, bring on record the report.
What does it say?
The report is a the report says it's a feasible.
It's a feasible project.
Feasible project.
Then where's NRL?
Yes.
So you are agreeable to
Yes, sir.
put the project on stream?
Not yet. The lease was not granted.
My lord, this is at the stage of
for the village.
I am agreeing.
For the village?
Because in view of several objections, my lord, we have not given NOC.
My lord, there are two objections here. One is raised by the wife and the other is... But my lord, everything has been taken care of in this inspection. My lord, their objection was that there are...
You got a copy there, affidavit?
Just now we have received.
I have supplied.
Immediately after vacation.
We'll close it after vacation.
All right.
Mr. K.B. Bharacharji submits that an affidavit containing the latest inquiry report has been filed. Dr. Nozika appearing for respondent's number
3 and 4.
3 and 4 praise submits that praise for some time that he just receives that affidavit. Only this matter after immediately after vacation and endeavour shall be to dispose of the next date.
In the meantime, Doctor, I am filing my affidavit also to bring on record the project.
Yes, Mr. Yes, Mr. Roy is also praise fund also allowed to file an affidavit to report necessary materials. Yes.
Lordship, matters coming fixed up.
We'll take a date yes, after vacation.
Item number 9.
Obliged.
In this matter, my lord, we have examined the affidavit, my lord. In fact, they echo the same thing with what we say. But here we are basically saying, my lord, the respondent could not have invoked the risk purchase notice in view of the fact that the arbitration clause in the contract. Now, my lord, they also say the same thing that we could have gone to arbitration, my lord. In that view of the matter, my lord, rejoinder would not be necessary. But I was only praying, my lord, if this matter could be fixed for hearing on the next date.
What hearing then?
If they are not subject to what they say, so if both the parties can come up with the proposed name of the arbitrator on the next date.
We can't convert to the Section 11 application.
But this has been done in the...
After vacation, yes. Mr. S. Thapa submits that rejoinder will not be necessary as the necessary and the matter can be disposed of the next date itself. Yes. Based on the materials already available. Only it's a matter after vacation for it. It's in hearing for orders, for the orders.
Item number 10.
Yes.
Your Lordship, copy has already been served to the petitioner. The affidavit, due to some technical default, it has been rejected from the registry.
Why reject the registry?
Because all the pages were not signed by the deponent.
You received copy of the affidavit?
Lordship.
Yes, MS F. Katsimbiang submits that due to some defects, the affidavit file has been rejected registry. He prays that he have allowed further 2 weeks time to correct the same. It's just after 2 weeks. Yes. You look at it, you can file the joint as you want.
Lordship.
11.
Same thing, Your Lordship. Same thing, Your Lordship.
You also, your affidavit can be filed.
My lord, they have served
I've already
me,
served copy to the
but
petitioner.
this is incomplete, my lord. It's rather
The thing is that if you have allowed one, if you don't file, you appear personally in the court.
Yes.
Where are they? Are they here today?
Lordship, I'm entering appearance on behalf of the respondent number 4 today, Lordship.
Who's number 4?
The Dorbashna of Dingpasaw. I filed my Vaklanama and affidavit also.
What is the affidavit?
Lordship, I've served a copy to the petitioner too.
I've got in the morning by the respondent number 4, but 3 no.
By your respondent?
Yes, Your Lordship, I have withdrawn from correspondent number 4, Your Lordship.
Okay. An affidavit has been filed in the house from the 4, who is now presented by MS I am Lingdo. Yes. Seems taken on board. Yes.
My lord, I need some instructions.
Parameters be given for petitioner praise that he allowed to file a rejoinder. If necessary. This after applications.
Item number 12.
Obliged.
12.
My lord, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Jha on instruction, my lord. Mrs. Jha is hospitalized, my lord. I have been requested to make a prayer on his behalf. My lord, they have filed a compliance affidavit, it seems, my lord, and some reply is to be filed by Mr. Jha, my lord.
So you see, Mr. Jha is sick, so I cannot.
Praying, my lord, on his behalf, my lord. Some time may be granted for us to
Yes,
file the
Mr. S. Tappa on behalf of Mr. Jha today submits that prays that the matter be adjourned as the counsel for the petitioner is hospitalized. As he is as
No,
Mr. Jha
sir,
hospitalized.
not Mr. Jha, my lord. Mrs. Jha is the hospital.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Mr. Tappa on behalf of Mr. Jha seeks adjournment due to personal difficulty of the arguing counsel. Yes, list after vacation.
Obliged.
13.
Yes.
CMG University.
The CMJ?
Yes.
If this matter before near Bond Road. Me, yes.
14.
Yes.
Another bench.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, we are filing the affidavit and we've already served a copy to the petitioner.
My lord, I have been in receipt of the affidavit. I will be filing my rejoinder.
MS so-and-so submits that the affidavit has already been filed.
We are filing in the course of the day, Lordship.
Filed course of the day. Stop just after 2 weeks for the joinder of any.
My lord, that apart, my lord, I have also filed a miscellaneous application, my lord. That may be heard in the next, after vacation.
Is this still in this case?
My lord.
Yes, a list after vacations along with this case number so-and-so.
Deeply obliged.
Much obliged, Lordship.
15.
My lord,
20,
my lord, yes. Six matters, my lord.
Why?
My lord, even I am also seeking some time, my lord.
Wait a petitioner?
To 5 years, my lord.
Malad, there are 6 connected matters.
VC?
So, Mr.
No,
No, Malad, PDS
Fair
matter.
price shop,
For
my lord.
PDS.
And I have already provided them the inquiry report also in the last
Prayer of the
occasion.
counsel
Last
of the
occasion
parties.
we received the
This is
inquiry.
matter after 2 weeks.
My highly obliged.
For further orders.
Till item number 20, madam.
My lord, please, my lord.
15 to 20.
Highly obliged.
21.
That's for affidavit. Well, I'm praying for some more time. I've taken some time.
None appears with the petitioner and Composica prays for and allowed for a 3 weeks time for affidavit. Yes.
22.
Yes.
The respondents have to file their affidavit.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, I prayed for 2 weeks' time to file the affidavit, Lordship.
Where's Mr. KP Bhattacharjee? Affidavit filed on behalf of the respondents.
No, Lordship.
Not filed.
Not fine.
Lordship, I'll pray for some time on behalf of the state.
What's the matter about?
School matter, Your Lordship.
As prayed for the 2 weeks time is allowed. Yes?
Similar prayer for respondent.
Yes, as prayed for by the respondents. You are number
6 and 7.
from the same chamber. You're praying for different people.
I'm for 6 and 7, Your Lordship.
And she's for 8. Yes, on the prayer made on behalf on the prayers made on the state respondents and the respondents for the 3 week time allowed for affidavit. Yes.
23.
My lord, I'm praying for further time to file my affidavit. It's a fresh matter, my lord.
Yes.
1 to 5,
for the
my
3
lord.
weeks time allowed for affidavit. As prayed for by the respondents for the 2 weeks time allowed for affidavit.
24.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, this morning only I have received the affidavit from the respondent. I pray for some time, Your Lordship.
You joined her?
Not, I haven't gone through, Your Lordship.
You filed it when today?
Today morning, Your Lordship.
Yes, Ms. M. Rahman submits that he has just received the copy of the affidavit filed by the state respondent. She prays that she will have 2 weeks time to peruse the same and to file the joinder if any. Yes.
25.
Please, Your Lordship, I pray for some time, Your Lordship, to file
What
an
instructions?
affidavit. We have received instructions, but one from the personal department we have not yet received.
Yes, MS Yangi prays for the how much time file
2
affidavit?
weeks time.
2 weeks time to further 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Prays allowed. 2 weeks.
26.
May it please Your Lordship. This petition is regarding the release of retirement benefits. I may be allowed 5 months time, madam.
So same MPC 5 months. Yes.
Much obliged.
Hearing 28.
May it please Your Lordship. Your Lordship, as per your last order, we've been allowed to file an additional affidavit, Your Lordship.
Where is it?
I'm praying for some time.
Given additional, you should file it fast. Yes. Mr. Sheikh, where is it? Shillong or you're in Shillong only?
I'm in Garo, His Lordship.
Oh.
Garo, His Lordship.
Very good. Yes, already on vacation. Right. Yes, on the request MS ready to agree for further 2 weeks time allowed for additional affidavit. Just accordingly.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Much
Your Lordship,
obliged.
28 and 29 are connected matters. Obliged, Your Lordship.
32.
We were praying that this matter could be taken up after vacations, my lord.
You ready the matter? What's
Yes,
the
Your
matter?
Lordship, Your Lordship, recast petition has been filed as
We have filed the amended application also, my lord.
Where's the amended application?
19th September, I received on 19th September, Your Lordship.
19th September we filed it, my lord.
So, Your Lordship,
You want to file affidavit again?
not required, Your
Not
Lordship.
required, okay.
Not required, Your Lordship, but
Mr.
Your Lordship,
Papa
I
submits that amended petition has since been filed. So,
After
next
15th, Your
Ms.
Lordship.
S. Bhargaji submits a no for the affidavit will be
Yes,
necessary
Your Lordship.
with the amended petition. So, accordingly, this is matter for hearing.
After 15th
3
of
weeks.
this, 3 weeks, yes, Your Lordship. Much obliged.
Obliged.
Second call. Item number 1, daily list.
This matter, what happened is that the application which has been filed by the respondents,
Let them come.
has been filed by
Yes.
yes,
Has been filed by whom?
because it has been filed by a company which is not a respondent. So it has been filed by a company which has corporation in its name. So it has been filed by a non-party
The main case.
to the procedure.
1 second. Where the African journals are appearing here?
Lordship is still on legs.
He is on his legs in court number 4.
Yes. Now see.
We filed a short reply.
What is
yes,
the name of the company?
it is Satnam Global Infra Projects Limited. That corporation word has come in by a typographical mistake.
They have taken exception to that. They're saying that this is an entity that's not a party to the proceedings, but has come for vacating the interim order.
That's a typographical error, Lordships. In fact, if Lordship will see the affidavit also, if Lordship will see the affidavit also, and the board resolution.
Filed in the miscase.
Yes, and even if the affidavit and the board resolution is all. Page 24, Lordship, of the application. And even the affidavit that is sworn.
19 minutes.
Page 19.
Page 19, the official stamp, and the whole stamp and the whole application is Infra Projects Limited. So that corporation is just a typographical error, Lordships.
So the affidavit verification all is for corporation.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yes, Mr. Goswami.
Yes.
Is Satnam Global Corporation here in the affidavit also?
No, the stamp, the rubber stamp.
Where's the rubber stamp?
And see the entire application, Lordship, in every page we have stamped it. It's all infra projects.
Can it be corrected orally?
Okay, see, on instruction and officer of the court, I am saying, Lordship, this is a typographical error.
I understand, yes, but then it has to go on record. You wear a code of record that this has an order has to be generated on an application.
So in otherwise also, Lordships, if Lordship is insisting on that, as an officer of the court, I am saying it's a typographical error.
Of course, we accept that also. Yes. We understand. As counsel,
and on these technicalities, Lordship, the writ court should not be detained by technicalities. Even otherwise, assuming we ignore the application, let the main matter be heard, because it's a very short point. It's an ex parte order. It's an ex parte order. I have a right to address the court. Why should this order continue? Why this application? Why this writ is not maintainable? So Lordship will come to the meat of the matter.
See, Mr. Goswami, they filed an affidavit. They received a copy of the same.
Yes, it's just today in the morning.
They've taken strong exception to that.
Yeah, therefore, let us ignore this and come and argue the matter. No, Lordship will kindly appreciate this. There is an ex parte order operating against us, ex parte order of stay.
Yes, Mr. Goswami, but then you should have been more alert in putting in the correct application.
No, I am saying, Lordship.
Sorry, but the thing is that yes, if they are agreeable, that is only a typo, and then like the matter can go ahead, we have no problems. But once an objections have been raised, and that too on affidavit, we have to consider this.
No, therefore I am saying. Therefore, what I am saying, it is please appreciate they have handed over this today to us. Be that as it may, I am saying ignore the vacating application. Please take up the main writ.
Yes, Mr.
Please take up the main writ. It's a very short point. It's a very short point on a jurisdiction.
Yes.
To the respondent, who is Satnam Global Projects. Today, corporation is before you.
I'm saying ignore the application.
So, my lords, let them, because in terms of your lordship's order, let an appropriate application be preferred. My lords may fix it immediately after the puja honor.
We'll do one thing, Mr. Pandey, Subsequent Mr. Goswami. We will fix it for final hearing entire matter immediately on reopening. That's 1 week after now.
Lordships can take it up today. We have the whole.
We have a very short puja break here. It's not like in other places.
No,
we are reopening on the.
No, what I am requesting is Lordships will appreciate.
The 6th.
Lordship will appreciate one thing. I am saying ignore this application. Then the whole objection goes. Please hear the writ.
We are not ready to accept the submission because otherwise, it becomes the whole procedure. It becomes a bit disjointed in the sense that we are going to hear this misapplication, whether we treat it as an affidavit that you file against the minute petition, or whether we take it as an independent misapplication, which will also answer the minute petition. Those are the things. Since they've taken objection to the very fact that your miscase is incompetent, so whether the court can take recourse to rely on the amendments you made here to address the the case that they've made out. That's the only thing.
No, I'm saying let me make myself clear.
You understand what?
Yes, let me make myself clear. They have just raised that issue of law. They have not raised any issue of facts. So I don't need to file an independent affidavit disputing the factual aspects of the matter. They have just raised a plain and simple issue of jurisdiction as to whether NCLT had jurisdiction to to commence the insolvency proceedings. I am addressing your court on law, and that lordship can hear it today. It's a very short point.
They're
Whether
insisting on the objection which is filed today.
No, but then if
so I have to address.
No, but if I withdraw that, so let on instructions I'm withdrawing, then what happens, lordships? If I withdraw that application for vacating of stay, then this thing doesn't lie at all.
Then we'll fix it for final hearing.
Oh, we understood that today was.
Surprise them that way. That see what is their tactical whatever it is, whatever advocacy, I don't know. But the thing is that the things have to be in correct order. That's all. That's only the court's concerned with. We don't want tomorrow another side going up and saying that due to this irregularity.
No, but then lordship, I understand.
But it is deprivation of the opportunity. For
that is provided I insist on hearing that application. Today, if I withdraw that application, what is the end result?
Are you ready with the main matter, Mr. Pandit?
I am ready with the main matter. I have come all the way. Lordship will indicate. On the last occasion, what did Lordship indicate? And on that indication, we have come. That will close the matter on the next date. Please appreciate there is an ex parte stay order.
There are certain additional facts, my lords.
Why have they not put it on record?
What is not? All of that, my lords, have to be brought on board, my lords, for a complete adjudication of the matter, my lords. So, on the next date of hearing, my lords, we will also place our additional facts. We were also deprived an opportunity, my lords. We would have placed all facts in reply to a petition filed by a proper respondent.
Let's not get stuck and proceed here. We'll have it on the next date, Mr. Goswami. 1 week, yes.
No, I thought that this court will not get into the procedure, technicalities of this, because once I withdraw, I believe that this reply also doesn't survive.
You withdraw the miss case, you file a proper affidavit within 1 week, and then we'll take it up on.
I have no objection.
So that's it. Ultimately, lordships will see that I am just coming here to say that the ex parte stay order has to be vacated.
Yes, but then it has to be done in a proper manner, Mr. Goswami.
Yeah, but
if they have no objection to the nomenclature given by your applicant, we have no problem.
Please hear my writ.
Understand.
I am saying, please don't hear my application. Please hear the writ. If they are ready.
They are not ready the writ today because they said that this matter is not for. It's on a miss case.
No, lordship. Supplementary 5 is the main writ listed.
Yes.
Supplementary 5 is the main writ listed.
It's 1 week only. Yes. Now we're on the 26th. Yes. An affidavit has been filed by the writ petitioner stroke opposite party on objecting to the nomenclature of the party seeking vacation alteration of the interim order dated 09/2025. Now, Mr. Pandey submits that in view of this situation, the proper affidavit, the proper objection have not been put on record. Stop. Next paragraph. Mr. Goswami, Leonard, Senior Counsel, on behalf of the applicant respondent, has submitted that the nomenclature given in the misapplication is due to a typographical error and will have no bearing on the merits of the case, and as much as the objections, the main objection, the contentions are on points of law itself. He has pressed that the matter be heard today itself on the main matter, and has also submitted that it will not be necessary for the respondents to even press the Millicent's application. So, the court considers the submissions of both the parties and also acknowledges the fact that the matter acknowledges the fact that liberty had been granted to the respondents to put in a appropriate application for vacation order. However, a strong objection has been taken to the nomenclature by the writ petitioner for the ends of justice. This matter should stand over to.
And be on 6th, Lordship.
6th of October.
Would Lordship indicate it will be finally heard and no parties will take any adjournment?
With lawyers, we can't say anything.
But at least it will be finally heard. The endeavor will be made to be.
Endeavor shall be made to dispose the matter date. It's also expected that all the requisite pleadings be on board on the next hearing.
Please see how unfortunate the situation is. This may not be arising in this case. Thanks to this litigation, the corporation, this petitioner has stopped all other payments of mine, of 3 other projects, including the smart meter which is in every house in Shillong, including Lordship's house also. They have stopped all payments.
Yes.
In fact, I believe the court is also on that meter, smart meter. They have
I
stopped
have no idea, yes.
They have stopped all payments, Lordships, because of this.
Anyway, Swami, enjoy the rest of the day in your old hometown.
That I will do. This is also my hometown, Lordship will know.
I'm saying this is your old hometown.
Yes,
here.
yes, I've grown up here, Lordship.
Yes, that's what.
Very well, Lordships. I am so grateful. Grateful, Lordships.
We have to manage everything, so you understand.
I know, Lordship, that but we also have our
You are
commitments. The Lordship will understand.
We fully understand.
Grateful, Lordships.
Right. This is the fresh one is number 14.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, take down. This re-applications have been filed for review of order dated
23/9/2025. Passed in 31.
Civil is a civil contempt so number 31/2025 on the ground that the same had been advertently passed in the wrong contempt application.
Yes.
Dr. N. Mozika, learned counsel for the respondents, also does not dispute this fact. Accordingly, the order dated
23/9/25.
23/9/2025 is
recalled.
And now to record this order that's been passed in the other contempt, and it is directed that not directed and recall. Stop. In view of the situation as it pertains, this court deems it fit to record the following order in view of the order dated 1/9/2025 by the division bench of this court, wherein the respondents were directed to remit an amount of rupees 17 lakhs 16,189, being the value of the seized gold within 2 years of communication, the same which has been stated to have not been complied with. If Dr. N. Mozika, learned DSGI, assisted by so and so, is allowed
A week's time.
Week's time to obtain.
The matter comes around
Lordship, let this matter come immediately after vacation, Lordship, on 6th, Lordship.
7th or 8th, my lord.
After, yes, the
8th.
place for a week's time, sir. Accordingly, this is matter on 10th of October. It's further observed that if there is no compliance of the order before the next date, notice of contempt proceedings will be initiated against the respondents. Yes, according to this.
My lord, my apologies, my lord, I was not able to be there for this item number 6, my lord, supplementary. The matter has been settled, my lord.
The order has already been passed also.
Yes.
You can read it when it's uploaded.